Hey, it's Brittany, and I'm here at the Grand Floridian Resort to give you a updated walking tour of this resort. I think I did this tour a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago, and there was a lot of construction going on. Maybe, yeah, pretty long time ago. But there was a ton of construction, and now we're not in construction anymore here, so I wanted to redo it. I told you guys I would. So I want to update you with the 2025 version of this resort tour. It's such a beautiful resort, so I don't mind touring it twice for you guys. So let's hit it and check out all the fabulous things here at the Grand Floridian. Hit the like button and subscribe. So obviously this resort is a stunning resort. It is on the Magic Kingdom Monorail line. Definitely one of the pricier resorts here, which it's pretty grand, hence the name. This is where you're going to be dropped off if you are coming from the airport or taking a taxi, which is great. And then the buses are going to be over here to your right. But let's head into the main lobby. Like I said, this is on the Magic Kingdom Monorail line, so it is very convenient to stay here. Also, it is just breathtaking in here. So let's head in here and check it out. So on the first floor you're going to come in, the check-in desk is to your right with all of your check-in needs, all the concierge needs. There is a piano player in the lobby right now, which is a nice touch. But just look at how beautiful this lobby is. It is stunning, 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 stunning. So we're gonna keep walking around just this first part of the lobby, and then we'll head upstairs because there's even more. But this staircase is very grand. A lot of people take pictures with it, especially the weddings that we have here. A lot of people will take photos with it. But we have like a little kiddo area. We have more seating, and then we have the gift shop for this resort, one of them. We'll head in here just a second. The Curious's Clothiers. It's gonna have that Grand Floridian merch, which is always so pretty. Here's a little bit of the Grand Floridian merch you can find. The plate, the teacup, the ears. Oh, we even have glasses in here. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, you're gonna find just the little things, perfumes, different park stuff, but mostly some Grand Floridian merch. Really nice Grand Floridian merch if you're looking. Some towels, some water bottles, some really good stuff. But let's head back this way. So this used to be a couple things. It used to be a tea, like they had some high tea here, which I still wish they bring back. I loved it. Last time I looked here, I did it one time. Or maybe I want to do it. I don't remember if I did. It's been a while. But I wish they'd bring it back because it's really cool. That is another staircase up to the second floor, which is great. We're going to head into the second gift shop, which is the Sandy Cove Gifts and Sundries. This is going to have more of your regular resort stuff, as well as like wine, regular merchandise if you forgot it. Other things if you forgot in the park. We do have snacks and beers and alcohols in here as well. Anything toiletries you forgot, we also have it in this gift shop as well. Some swimsuits, just a bunch of stuff, especially if you forgot some stuff. You can find a lot in here, which is great. We're gonna head back out here and go even more to the left. So the right is the main lobby, the left we're gonna keep walking. Some really fun decor over here. And then right over here, we have the park, 1900 Park Fair, which is a buffet, all you need buffet, which is great. You meet some characters in there. I see Aladdin and Cinderella, some bathrooms, the Grand Floridian Cafe, which is another dining establishment here. And then there's a DVC little thing over here. And then yeah, this just opened a couple months ago, so it is relatively new opening, but it's a nice character dining. I see Mirabelle too. Here is some of the awesome selections. Breakfast is 8 a.m. to noon, dinner is 4 to 9. So let's actually go upstairs, and I'm actually gonna take the side stairwell here, and then I'll show you the second floor, and then we will go outside. So I'll meet you guys up on the second floor. All right, made it to the second floor. We're gonna go left first. This is the Enchanted Rose. You have seen me come here multiple times. It is a lounge that is being the Beast themed, with some little light snacks, not a ton, but great views and really good drinks. So if you're a Beauty and the Beast fan, this is great for you. Open from 3:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. And here's another look at the lobby. I'm out of breath from those stairs. Don't mind me. Then we're gonna keep walking this way. This is where the main staircase takes you that I showed you guys. And an elevator, obviously. We do have a photo pass opportunity here with Cinderella's glass slipper, which is always popular. And then we have Mouse Mercantile, which is another gift shop. A lot of park stuff in there I want to show you. It's literally what you can find at the parks. It's just in here. Here's a great map of the Grand Floridian. It's beautiful. We do have some pressed pennies here. And we have a lot of pressed pennies fans. I'll show you guys those. And then we have, this is where you're gonna, the monorail. This is the monorail station. So this is the resort line monorail. So you can get to and from the parks and the other resorts that way, or to and from Magic Kingdom and the other resorts that way. We also have some medallions, really cute ones as well. And then we have Basin White. We also have a basin at Springs, but this is, I think, a little bit fancier of a location. They have soaps, bath bombs, all Disney and themed, inspired, not everything, but most of it is. It's really cool. Like, look at the soaps with the Mickey heads you can get. It's so cute. It's so cute. And then over here is the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, but it has not been open for years. So I don't know if there's any plans to reopen it. I highly doubt it right now. But also another bank of elevators with some seats that you guys can enjoy while you're here. Some more theming, and then over here is the Citrico's Dining and Victoria and Albert's restaurant. It looks like it's closed, so I can't go back down there, but that is where you're gonna find Citrico's and Victoria and Albert's, which are very, very fancy establishments, eating establishments here. So you're definitely gonna have to get a reservation for that. Find that in the app or call. We've got some great artwork over here. Another set of bathrooms right here, as well as drinking fountains, which is fabulous. Always good things to have. And then we're back over here. These are the stairs I literally just took up in the Enchanted Rose. So let's the Enchanted Rose. Let's head back downstairs and go outside. Okay, so I came back downstairs and we're back by 1900 Park Fair in the Grand Floridian Cafe. And we're gonna head out these doors to the outside. It's beautiful out here. I love it so much. So we're actually gonna go straight to our left as we head out here. It's stunning on property here. So left is towards Narcoossee's, the Marina Boat Launch, and the walkway to Magic Kingdom. I just did a couple weeks ago a detailed walking tour of walking from the TTC all the way to Magic Kingdom, which goes by through here. So if you'd like to see that, I can link it down below. If not, it was one of my most recent videos. So check it out, but that's what we're gonna head this way. We'll kind of go around. There's a lot to show you guys out here. But it is a beautiful day. I love it so much here. It's beautiful. So first we're gonna head this way, which is towards the Gasparilla Grill, which is the quick serve here at the Grand Floridian. If you're looking for just, quick serve type, you can get it, eat inside or eat out here on the patio area, which is really beautiful. So this is what this is. The Gasparilla Island Grill, sorry. I gotta get it right. But basically it's a quick serve. We won't go in there because it's usually pretty busy, but they have really good sandwiches with house-made chips and stuff like that. It's really great. But yeah, it's right here, as well as the arcade. I see some families in there, so we're not gonna go over there either. But just right this way is where you're gonna enter the walkway. It's gonna take you all the way around. You kind of see people kind of walking over there to the Magic Kingdom. So this is the marina as well, which you can take. You can rent boats, you can take a boat over to Magic. We'll walk this way next and kind of go around. So this is kind of the end over here, unless you take the walkway over to Magic. And then we can keep going more this way. And I'll show you guys more of the marina, and then over to Narcoossee's, and then we'll hit the opposite side of the resort out here. This is a pretty big resort. Here is a look at the resort. Looks like this map needs some love. Looks like it's a little faded from the sunshine, but I love the theming of these rooms. It's just a gorgeous resort to walk around. But like I said, you can rent these sun tracker boats, fishing excursions, I think firework cruises over here. Bunch of stuff you can look into. It just costs extra money, but you can, yeah, fishing and boat rentals are over here. I was correct. It's at the Captain's Shipyard, which is great. Yeah, fireworks cruise, guided fishing, and then just renting the sun tracker. It looks like the fireworks cruise starts at $450 for 10 guests, but you have to call and book it for you and your guests. So that's gonna be that. We're gonna actually come around here to the corner. So we're gonna walk this way towards the boat launch for where you actually go take it to Magic, and Narcoossee's is over here as well. So we're just gonna keep on walking. I'll repeat myself again, but it's beautiful, so I don't mind walking around. It is so stunning out here, and it's a great temperature out today, so I'm here for it. Okay, we're not gonna go any farther than this because it's basically how this ends. But to my left down this path is the boat launch that takes you to Magic Kingdom. And then this is Narcoossee's, which is another fancier sit-down restaurant here on property. So you're gonna wanna make a reservation and check the attire policy for there as well, just in case. Sometimes they change it, but I know a lot of the restaurants here have an attire policy. So just make sure that you're compliant so you can actually have your delicious meal here. But let's head back towards the lobby and take a left and go the other way. We literally just walked that way and came around. So we're just kind of doubling back. There's also a pool over here as well for these buildings, which is great. But there's like a main pool. This is kind of like the secondary pool. It's called the Courtyard Bar and Pool. Doesn't hurt to have multiple pools, especially here in Florida. It does look like it's closed at the moment. What did I say? We don't have construction or refurb. LOL. It looks like they're refurbing the pool, but pool hours are from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. when it is open. But it is currently closed. But we have multiple pools on property, so don't fret. There is plenty of pools to go around. So literally this is where we just came out and walked straight that way. So we just made a little circle. So we are back where we came from. I'm gonna just turn and go the opposite way that we just came from and see this beautiful fountain. It's just so pretty. I love it. Love it so much. Look at the fountain. It's gorgeous. There were some families playing some games, so I want to show you all that. But this is kind of another area. I just walked straight from where I showed you the fountain. Lobby is on my right. This is such a fun area. It overlooks the Polynesian resort. There's sand. There's some like little little day beds out there you can sit on. There's a lot of people over here, so I'm not trying to show everybody tanning, but we're gonna come across the big pool with an amazing splash pad themed to the Mad Hatter. Very cool for the whole family and the kiddos. Lots of kiddos in there. This is another exit of the lobby, just to let you know what's on the inside here, where your wayfinding is. And that is the monorail entrance, and the main entrance is just around that. So we're actually gonna head to the left and head over to the DVC building. But yeah, the main pool is here. It's gorgeous, it's large, plenty of space for everybody. And it's just a fun pool. It's a big pool, and that splash pad, seriously fabulous. So yeah, again, if I take a right here, it's gonna go back into the main lobby in the front, very, very front where I did my intro. But we're gonna take a left and walk all the way to the other buildings and the other side of this resort. So, oh, there's monorail. So fun. So yeah, I will meet you guys back when I'm over here at the other side of the resort, which is gonna have the villas at the Grand Floridian, as well as the wedding pavilion and Senses Spas. So we got plenty to show you that way, but I won't bore you with this walk. So I'll meet you guys when I get to the other side. I'm at the end of that walkway you just saw me down. So I'll show you this really pretty fountain. More views of everything over here if you walk around the building. We're actually gonna go straight into this building and show you guys this beautiful building, which you'll see why in just a second. But I will meet you guys when we get inside. So this is a DVC tower location here at the Grand Floridian. So you're gonna get all your DVC perks. As you can see, merch. But it is Mary Poppins themed. And it is one of my favorite lobbies on property, and I do not come over here enough because I'm not DVC, so I don't stay here. I think it rivals the main lobby and is so cute. Like, look at these little penguins. And they have like just the cutest touches in here. But it's beautiful, it's clean, it's fabulous. Some chests and stuff over here. Then if we're just gonna walk straight out of this, but yeah, this is the Disney Vacation Club. And then we're gonna walk straight out. And now this is the front, so if you walk that way, you're gonna head back towards where we just came from. But we are actually going to, how do I get around to that path? So I guess this is actually pretty easy. So if you're coming out of the DVC area, we have the wedding pavilion, literally right over here. This is all wedding pavilion. There's like a little way back into it, but it's kind of hard. So if you walk back behind the building, like I said, over here, like where the views were, that's all, it's gonna lead you straight over here to the wedding pavilion. And then Census Spa is just right across the way, as well as some tennis courts and some grills. We'll walk this way a little bit. We'll walk this, oh, monorail. I'll show you Census, but this is kind of the end of the resort. So we will just, I can walk that way. No worries. I just have to find a sidewalk. So again, wayfinding, I mean monorail line. So if you just follow the monorail line back that way, we're gonna head back to the main lobby and everything like that, but we are just on the opposite side of that. So you can kind of see the main lobby that way. It'll attach you to that long walkway we walked on. But yeah, so this is the spa, Census Spa, as well as, like I said, some tennis courts and some grills you can use. Yeah. And then we'll walk this way, and then I think this is gonna be about it, because then it's, like I said, the wedding pavilion, and then we're kind of heading to the Poly. So this is gonna be about it, but it is gorgeous, and I love this. And look at the monorails. I love it. But yeah, this is Census to my right. And then, like I said, the wedding pavilion, the gates are literally right there. And this is kind of where you go to plan your stuff. And then this is the edge of the Grand Floridian, is right here. It's kind of where the path ends, and then you meet up with the Poly. So this is the Grand Floridian. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.